insurance is only part of the spectrum, so the roadmap to recovery includes, personal finance decision making, right? So we have all these CPAs and certified financial planners that are our partners.
So we saw a huge loss of property that was incredibly valuable to our community because we have so many renters. And then we saw, in addition to that, that there's an expectation that people would have first, last, and security.
There are 3 mechanisms, by and large, that HUD supports and permits to fund rebuilding, or for dollars to flow through rebuilding. One is the state or city will pick a contractor for the homeowner. 2 is the homeowner picks a contractor and gets them certified to participate in the program. 3 is reimbursement. You spend your own money as soon as you can, and then you apply for reimbursement once the programs are running.